Join me as I dive into this airdrop challenge to score some free Paws coins and see if I can actually grab them before they're all gone. Today, I'm super excited to share with you an incredible opportunity to get your hands on some free Paws coins in this highly anticipated airdrop. If you're anything like me, you're probably already excited about the prospect of scoring some free coins without having to break the bank. Moving on, I know that some of you might be a little skeptical about participating in airdrops, and rightfully so. We've all heard the horror stories about scams and fraudulent activities masquerading as airdrops. It's natural to have some reservations about putting your personal information out there, especially when there's a perceived lack of transparency. You might be thinking, is this airdrop for real, or what's the catch? And believe me, I've been there too. It's essential to do your due diligence and research the airdrop before participating. Another concern people might have is that they might not have the necessary information to participate or understand the process. Maybe you've tried participating in airdrops before, but it was a hassle, and you didn't get anything out of it. Switching gears, let's talk about the Paws Coins airdrop that's got everyone buzzing. To participate, you'll need to meet some basic eligibility criteria, which I'll cover in a bit. The good news is that it's relatively easy to get involved, and the benefits are definitely worth it. The benefits of participating in this airdrop are multifaceted. Not only will you get your hands on some free Paws coins, but you'll also be part of a community that's pushing the boundaries of what's possible with cryptocurrency. One of the most exciting aspects of this airdrop is that it's open to everyone, regardless of your experience with cryptocurrency. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this is an excellent opportunity to dip your toes in the water and see what it's all about. Here's the thing, this airdrop is not going to last forever. In fact, there's a limited time offer that you won't want to miss. If you're one of the early birds, you'll get an exclusive bonus that'll make your Paws coins even more valuable. See this airdrop, you'll not only get your free Paws coins, but you'll also get a head start on the competition. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on this chance to get ahead of the curve. To recap, this Paws coins airdrop is the real deal, and it's an opportunity you shouldn't let slip through your fingers. You'll get free coins, be part of a community, and gain valuable experience in the world of cryptocurrency. Before I sign off, I'd love to hear your thoughts on this airdrop in the comments below. Have you participated in an airdrop before? What are your expectations from this one? Make sure to subscribe for future updates and check out another related video on my channel where I go deeper into the world of cryptocurrency and airdrops.